स्टेशन
या रेस्ट एरिया या
रेस्ट एरिया और मेरा ख्याल है ताइपे रह गया कितना
1 hour and 45 minute drive
1 hour 45 minute drive
इंशाल्लाह
so inshallah we're nearly there Is it more of a service or it's a big shopping center?
Yeah, I think this is maybe the biggest or the second biggest the service.
Yeah. Very nice. I'm surprised, you know.
They even have third floor restaurant, proper restaurant, and then food court.
Food court. Oh, yeah,
also
exactly.
have this one.
And look at the fish aquarium.
Right.
Wow. Subhanallah. Yeah.
Like veggie soup, everything you can find here.
So Raju left his two mobiles in the toilet, and someone found that mobile and gave it to the information desk.
The cleaning lady.
And how did you know that the phones are here?
She called me.
Oh, the last dial number.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Thank you. Shishe. Oh.
Let's see when he found
How did he left his mobiles?
I have no idea.
Where is he?
We don't know. Let's go to the car places and see if he was there.
Yeah. Goshe? क्या हुआ है? चले?
Anything you needed?
वो वाईफाई कनेक्ट कर दे मेरा जरा वाईफाई भाई ले ले वैसे कनेक्ट कर दे अभी कर दे चल अभी कर वाईफाई चल देता हूँ ये ले क्या मतलब
really
No, you must be joking.
you have
No, yes.
you have or not?
Yes, I have. Why you change your face like this?
you have I forget inside now
Sorry.
how you
I sent him information contact and then they call me.
how they call you
Emergency contact.
ये इन्फॉर्मेशन डेस्क से मिले हैं दोनों फोनों में
Emergency contact. See how big face he can engage me now.
and when I put there right I think you don't forget your mobile you put there
and you forgot, huh?
Don't swear. Let's go.
I swear I forget
यार वैसे अमेजिंग यू सी के अगर किसी और होता है you know someone might have
ये Taiwan है
this is Taiwan this is what my point is you know
This is Taiwan even you lost mobile they cannot use they
even
cannot
in
open.
England you know it's not guaranteed that you might get it back
Yeah, I know. They just don't put SIM and they just take mobile and play games, Wi-Fi and connect there. But Wi-Fi once you Wi-Fi connect
anyway this incident has been filmed and
and you make video.
yeah
This is very good vlog. Oh my God, very lucky you.
how did she dial the number
Okay, you just double press then you can emergency call.
To your contact.
Yeah, like this. Emergency call.
okay SOS call so
They
when
say that I'm the contactor.
okay
Yeah.
so it's good
I give my
you nominated her yeah
I give her number.
ध्यान रखिया कर
This is the first time ever happened.
is the first time
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh okay
I'm not kidding.
That's why every time he will ask angry to kids if kids forget something, you know, he will say you should take care of your own stuff.
Of course.
welcome to Taipei what time is it now
Taipei.
what time is it now
Right now is 7:30.
हम लोग सुबह चले थे जी 9 बजे राजू
7:40 now.
9 बजे चले थे और हम लोग थाईपे पहुंचे तकरीबन 6 बजे के करीब है ना?
No. How come? We arrive here about 7.
अच्छा, सुबह 9 बजे के हवालियन से चले जी, तकरीबन 7 बजे पहुंचे यहाँ पे थाई पे। और उसके बाद गाड़ी शाड़ी खड़ी करके हम लोग कुछ खाने के लिए आए हैं, काफ़ी भूख लगी हुई है। एंड राजू इज़ बिन वंडरफुल, यू नो, थ्रू आउट बेचारा ड्राइव करता रहा और बहुत स्ट्रेच किया इसने अपने आप को आज। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच राजू यार, फॉर ऑल दिस हैसल एंड पेन यू नो यू टुक फॉर मी। I know. I wish I could tell to my viewers. So anyway, we are at Taipei main station. यहीं पर नज़दीक ही मेरा होटल है, तो वहाँ
we are going to eat shabu shabu.
Shabu Shabu.
Fire pot. Hot pot.
तो लेकिन देखिए लाइन कितनी लंबी लगी हुई है उसके लिए। So हमारा नंबर आने वाला, बारी आने वाली है, तो जनाब शपू शपू खा के आप शपू शपू करके आराम से निकलना और मैं अपने होटल में जाऊंगा, आराम करूंगा और सुबह इंशाल्लाह अपनी फ्लाइट पकड़ के अपनी नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पर।
Inshallah.
So basically they will give us a hot bowl of soup, yeah? Hot pot of soup, yeah?
Soup. And we order seaweed soup.
Yeah. Seaweed, yeah? Okay. And then,
And one spicy one.
okay. And then you can dip your things in
This
there.
is called like a vegetable bowl.
Vegetable bowl, yeah?
But it's full of like a tofu, mushrooms,
Tofu, mushrooms, yeah? Cabbage. Yeah, and vegetable. And this is a hot plate. You can put your...
yeah, in and out.
Oh, okay.
In and out, and temperature.
So I think we can leave it on, so...
No, later when the soup comes,
Yeah.
the soup comes and then we on.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
And then this is the sauce. This is called Malaysia's barbecue sauce with
Okay.
soya sauce.
Soya sauce.
Right, and then Raju, we bring this here. Yeah. Mostly like
Oh, you can mix it. Okay.
green sprout. And this is garlic paste.
Garlic paste, yeah. Okay. And this is red chili.
Yeah, but I only take a little.
Little bit, yes.
Because it smells like
Yeah,
green
yeah,
chili.
yeah.
So you make your own dipping sauce.
Nice, very nice. So everybody is enjoying the food. Right. So that's our pot.
Yeah.
Wow.
Next time.
Thank you, Virijan. Thank you.
Give me that one. Yeah, you have to mix well. You have to mix well.
I'll do it.
And you can add a little, if too thick, you can add some soup in it.
Okay.
I mostly do that.
So that's our delicious
And the meat didn't
dinner.
come. No, not yet. Meat and
Ah.
didn't come yet.
Oh, it's
That's the menu.
that's a starter.
Yeah.
Wow, who's gonna finish?
You.
Oh,
Like
This is
this.
tofu skin.
I love this tofu.
And this is the mushroom cozy tomorrow.
I give you.
Boiled and you can.
right. So you can mix everything in there.
Yeah. Hot
And this plate is hot now, yeah?
pot. Inside, yeah.
It's hot. Okay. Oh, तू क्या बना रहा है राजू?
Spicy.
May I just put my stuff inside?
Ah, okay.
This is deep fried tofu skin. Deep
Ah.
fried. It's better.
Here.
taste.
Put it. Okay.
Here. What is this?
Also, different kind of tofu skin.
Also you like here.
Okay.
Spicy one.
I think this is spicy one, yeah? Okay. And this is non-spicy,
No
obviously.
spicy.
It was a great food idea, you know, especially the spicy ball was really nice, and it smells so good, you know, and very delicious, full of flavor, and we thoroughly enjoyed our food. Alhamdulillah. John, thank you very much for everything, yaar. Honestly, yaar, I mean, ये 5 दिनों 6 दिनों का यकीन कर पता भी नहीं चला, और यार वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट ट्रिप ऑनेस्टली. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, बियॉन्ड माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. तुम दोनों ने मेरा बहुत ख्याल रखा. अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें हमेशा खुश और आबाद रखे. आमीन.
अपनी मंजिलें जो है तुम्हारा घर आराम से खैरियत से
हाँ, आमीन आमीन. तो थैंक्स वेरी मच फॉर ड्रॉपिंग मी. ठीक है, आप खैर खैर से जाओ, और मुझे इंशाल्लाह विल बी इन टच है. ठीक है मेरी जान, थैंक यू है. अल्लाह हाफिज़ मेरी जान. ओके, ख्याल रखें अपना. थैंक यू वेरी मच पाकिज़ा भाभी. Thank you very much. Honestly, I don't have words. Honestly, I don't have words. I don't know how to say thanks. You know, I mean, honestly, you both were treating me like, you know, your child. You know, honestly, I mean, honestly, thanks very much for everything.
We are happy that you.
Exactly.
You also like Taiwan.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your
We'll
time.
try our best to that you like enjoy the very good food and you know.
Oh yeah. Everything was amazing, beyond my expectations. All
You
right.
get a small kebab.
Okay. So you guys drive safely, inshallah.
Inshallah.
ठीक है.
He was
अभी
saying
I think it's gonna take you 3.5 hours to go back to Tainan. चलें ठीक हो
I
गया.
will send you message when we are.
इंशाल्लाह मेरी जान.
You
इंशाल्लाह.
also drop us message. when you reach
इंशाल्लाह. इंशाल्लाह definitely. Thank you very much. जी राजू ने ड्रॉप किया जी थाईपे स्टेशन पर, और अब वो वापस थाईनान जा रहा है. तो मेरा आज रात का स्टे थाईपे में ही होगा. मैंने अभी होटल रिलैक्स लिया है पीछे, अभी आपने देखा है, और यहाँ पर इंशाल्लाह आज एक रात गुजार कर सुबह मैं बिल्कुल होटल के सामने ही स्टेशन है, वहाँ से ट्रेन पकड़ कर इंशाल्लाह एयरपोर्ट पे चला जाऊँगा, और वहाँ से मेरी इंशाल्लाह आगे फर्दर फ़्लाइट होगी. तो शाम के अभी रात के 10 बजे हैं, तो चलकर देखते हैं कि थाईपे की क्या अट्रैक्शंस है. थाईपे बाय नाइट करते हैं, तो एक छोटा सा टूर करते हैं, उसके बाद जाके इंशाल्लाह आराम करेंगे. जिस वक्त मैं ताइपे सिटी के बिल्कुल सेंटर में हूँ, और इस एरिया में मोस्टली शॉपिंग एंड खाना पीना एंड स्ट्रीट फूड ज़्यादा है, और इस किस्म की एक्टिविटीज़. लेकिन जनाब गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है. इट्स वेरी वेरी ह्यूमिड, और पसीना के नॉन स्टॉप चल रहा है.